Discuss with you a little bit about Indiana Farm Bureau health plans. Now, what exactly is INFB health plans? Well, back in 2010, there was a bit of a law change known as Obamacare or the Affordable Care Act. And in that law change, there was a few significant changes that stated such that if you medically underwrite and can determine rate based on someone's health, you are no longer considered health insurance. Even if your plan is better than the ACA or comparable, even if your network is larger than the ACA or comparable, you are no longer considered health insurance as a carrier. Farm Bureau Health Plans has been around since 1993 and elected to not conform to those laws. Consequently, we are no longer considered health insurance, even though our plans are comparable to the ACA and our network is much larger. But in those law changes, the Affordable Care Act basically stated that you cannot rate or deny based on pre-existing conditions. The premium is going to be based on tobacco usage, your zip code, and you have certain enrollment windows on when you can join the group of health insurance. Indiana Farm Bureau health plans sort of turned that model on its head, where we can rate and deny individuals based on their overall health, but consequently, we offer potentially much lower premiums. We allow for year-round enrollment, and our network provider is nationwide through United Healthcare. Now, what we are offering are 4 plans for those that are under 65. Our advanced and classic choice plans are the most comprehensive plans that we offer. So for those that enjoy preventive care, having small copays and low deductibles to go see their doctors, dental and vision coverage, those are the plans for you. If you enjoy the benefits of a health savings account, our high deductible health plan is definitely an outstanding option. And then we also have a major medical plan. This plan is exceptionally inexpensive, but is going to require more out of pocket before the benefits kick in. We also have a standalone dental vision plan. So for those that needing a little bit more extra coverage than that is already built into our advanced or classic choice plans, or maybe just want to supplement their Medicare supplement plans, or perhaps an employer plan, we've got you covered there as well. And we also offer 4 different plans through our Medicare supplement insurance plans. Now, to be eligible for Indiana Farm Bureau health plans, you do need to be a resident of Indiana and be a member of Indiana Farm Bureau health plans for at least 30 days for our plans for those that are under 65. There is no waiting time for those that are applying for Medicare supplements. And we will require some medical underwriting, whether that's an application or some medical records. Now, from a dependent standpoint, you do have to be legally married to have your spouse on the plan, but we will cover children, natural, adopted, soon to be adopted, or those you have guardianship over. Now, a few reasons to consider Farm Bureau health plans. Well, the most common concerns you face if you're a small business, talent drain. Oftentimes it's difficult to attract talent or keep them. If you're looking at a more affordable option, we typically average 30 to 50% less than your standard group plan. If you're not wanting a lot of administrative work, ours have hardly any. Perhaps you have some subcontractors or 1099ers that may not be eligible for your group plan. We've got you covered there as well. And when it comes to renewals, we have greater rate stability because we have that medical underwriting ability. Now, as a small business owner, you have really 2 options. You can go the group insurance route. With that route, you do have to have normally a minimum of 2 W-2 employees. There are certain employment restriction statuses, so 1099ers versus W-2s. There has to be a ratio there normally. Based on your industry, it may determine costs. There is an annual renewal process, and there can be some administrative work, adding, removing individuals, being well versed in the plan. Or you can take the route of the individual plan route, which is what INFB Health Plans does. Here, the business can elect to pay the premiums or reimburse the premiums of their employees while they go out and seek their own plan. You don't have to worry about minimum employee count to be eligible. There's no employment status restrictions, whether you're W-2 or 1099. That's not a problem. We only rate based on an individual's health, not the industry. There is no renewal process. Everything is automatic. Once you're in, you're in permanently until 65, and there's almost no administrative work. Now, some of our plan benefits, as I mentioned, lower premiums, around 30 to 50% less compared to most group plans. All of the benefits that we offer are 100% portable. So if an employee leaves, retires, quits, they simply take their benefits and go somewhere else. We also allow you to apply at any time throughout the year. There's no enrollment windows or restrictions on when someone can apply, except for our 30-day waiting period for new members. We have a large nationwide network provider through United Healthcare. We have outstanding customer service that are there to help you answer general questions about what we offer through the application process and helping you with your policy services. And with 4 different plans and 2 different deductible options, we're pretty confident we have most of our membership needs satisfied. Now, a couple of premium examples just to highlight the difference between us and your standard ACA plan. So here's an example of our Advanced Choice plan. This is our most comprehensive plan that we offer. We're comparing ourselves to a ACA CareSource Gold plan, which you see is a $4,000 deductible, 20% coinsurance, and $13,000 max out of pocket. Here, the Advanced Choice has a $15,000 deductible per person, 20% coinsurance, and $10,000 out of pocket. Now, these examples are for individuals who are not tobacco rated and aren't getting any federal subsidies for the cost of their health care. So for a 35, 38, and 6-year-old, just shy of $1,900 per month with CareSource. Well, with INFB health plans, since we medically underwrite, we've got different rating tiers. Our very best rate will be $571. Our very highest rate will be $1,338. So here we can offer ownership and employees quite a range of savings. In the best case scenario, $1,300 per month, or as little as $552 per month. You'll also notice that as the age increases, the disparity also widens between the Affordable Care Act plans and Indiana Farm Bureau health plans. So as this group gets older, 45, 40, 15, and 13, with a CareSource Gold plan, that monthly rate is $2,100. INFB health plans ranges from $626 to $1,466. Now, we do have a variety of plans, as I've mentioned here. This is our Classic Choice plan. This is for individuals only. And our goal here was for those that are nearing retirement or businesses who are just wanting to offer employee-only coverage. This is the plan for you. If you look down at a 55-year-old for this Anthem Silver plan, $6,000 deductible, 30% coinsurance, and $8,700 out-of-pocket maximum, $921 for a 55-year-old. Our plan with the Classic Choice has a $6,000 deductible, 20% coinsurance, and $20,000 out-of-pocket maximum, $345. We do have that high deductible health plan, which is that HSA compatible. So for those that like health savings accounts, this is the plan for you. And again, you'll notice a great disparity here between premiums for our plan compared to the Anthem Bronze plan. And then lastly, our major medical plan. In this plan will cover whatever is medically necessary. It's just the threshold is a little bit higher with our deductibles and out-of-pocket maximums. And again, you'll see why there's such a great option here is because of the low cost for these health plans. Now, the application process is pretty straightforward. When applying for health plans, you do need to have a membership. All of our plans begin on the first of the month. And if you are brand new to Farm Bureau, the membership is $32.50, and you have to wait 30 days before you can apply. Now, to get a quote, I recommend reaching out to Joe Torline. His phone number here, 812-599-3768, or feel free to pop in by his office. You can also learn more about our plans at going online at infbhealthplans.com or calling our reps here at 888-964-0854. Now, we do have that underwriting process. So when it comes to actually submitting an application, Joe can actually send those out to you or visit your office. Each application takes anywhere from 15 to 30 minutes, depending on the size of your family. Our general turnaround is about 7 to 10 business days. For those that are over 40 years old or have children 25 months and younger, we'll typically ask for some medical records. It's pretty low scope. We're just looking for height, weight, blood pressure, and blood work for those over 40, and immunization and vaccine history for those that have children 25 months and younger. Our billing is also very straightforward. Every bill is due on the first of the month through automated bank draft. If you miss a payment, that's okay. You've got 20 days to get the payment in before the plan cancels. If you are unable to get that payment in, you've got another 10-day grace period to get that payment in before the plan officially does cancel. If you do have a canceled plan, it's okay. You are able to reapply with no restrictions. Our call center and website are going to be great resources as well. They have all the forms and resources needed for you to endorse your plan if you want to do it yourself. Otherwise, you can always call our representatives to do so. They are available 9 to 6 Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday. We also have a process called reconsideration, where if your health improves, let us know about it. We can actually lower your rate. Most commonly, if you maybe lose some weight, no longer take certain prescription drugs, we can actually improve the overall cost of healthcare. From the claims process standpoint, everything is done through United Healthcare and UMR, which is their third-party administrator, to make sure claims are being processed efficiently. Now, how we can help? Joe Torline is an outstanding agent, and he is there to help you for whatever needs you may have. Typically, what we see on a regular basis is educating staff on what the plans are and what they do, fielding questions. He is more than happy to put together a tailored benefit proposal. Though we don't offer group insurance, we do offer benefits to your group. So that includes medical, dental, vision, and life. Whether it's office lunch and learns, he's more than available there. And any other insurance needs you may have, he'd be happy to field. Thank you so much for your time.